Hello everybody, I'm Karen with a C. Before we start, please click here to follow my page. Lower back pain is no longer something that only elder people have. It becomes a very common health issue among people who are over 20. You must have known that stretching is important to relax muscles, but are you really doing it right? There are so many different stretches out there. Do you need to remember them and do them all? So I selected 6 stretches, the simplest and most effective ones out of 20 to improve your lower back health. You don't need to remember 10, 20, 30. Just remember 6, and I will briefly talk about the muscle groups of the lower back and their function so that you can have a better understanding of how it works. Firstly, I will talk about the Erector Spinae, a group of muscles and tendons which run more or less the length of the spine. Its function is to extend the back and maintain correct posture. How to stretch the Erector Spinae? The first stretch is called the cat-camel stretch. You must be very familiar with this one. Tuck your chin in and arch your back. Hold it for about 30 seconds. And you can relax and do it again. Repeat 2 to 3 times. And the second stretching to relax your Erector Spinae. Firstly, take your left leg, cross it over, and turn your body towards the left side. You can use your elbow on your knee to stretch it further. You can push a little bit more to get the extra stretch there. Hold this for about 30 seconds and do the other side. You can repeat 2 to 3 times. The next very important muscle of the lower back is called Quadratus Lumborum, QL. It mainly contributes to the core stabilization and back health. It's a deeper layer. It also helps to extend our lumbar vertebrae. To stretch the QL muscles, form a sitting position. Extend your right leg and bring your left heel in towards your groin. Bend to the right, placing your right elbow on your leg or on the floor, with your palm facing up. Extend your left arm up towards the ceiling and bring it down towards your right foot. Tuck your chin in towards your chest and gaze up towards the ceiling. Hold this position for about 30 seconds and repeat on the left side. Another stretch for the QL muscles is to use a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball. Put it right above your pelvic line or belt line against the spine, but not on the pelvic bone or on the spine. Relax and move around. You will feel it. Once you find the spot, just relax and let the pressure go in for about 30 seconds and release. Then do the other side. The last muscle group of the lower back I'm going to talk about today is the psoas muscles. It's even a deeper layer compared to the QL muscles we talked about just now. It mainly contributes to our hip flexion. To stretch the psoas muscles, you need a bed. Put your left leg on the bed straight and the right feet on the ground like this. Use both arms to push up the body up and arch your back. The further you go, the more you can feel it. Hold this pose for 30 seconds and then do the other side. Another stretch for the psoas muscles is to face down and put yourself up with both arms. This can stretch your back, abdomen, but also the psoas muscles. Keep your belt line on the bed. Don't let your hip leave the bed or the ground. Hold this position for about 30 seconds. These are the 6 stretches for lower back. You can repeat 2 to 3 more times for each stretching. If you find this video useful, please give me a like, comment, share, and follow. I'm Karen with a C. who's devoted into bringing love and care to every corner of the world.